First, be confident. This is the first. Your body is very important. Then the second one, don't take your paper off. Don't do it. No, never. If your paper down, if you have some note, you can take a look at your note.
One hand holding the toy, the other hand pointing towards the toy. Okay, eyes on the camera, on teacher, okay, and talk with a loud voice.
My name is Punyingat. My name is Wong In-fei. My presentation today is about my favorite toy. My favorite toy is a Rubik's Cube. I love my toy because it is soft, it is flexible, and it can bounce back in the water. It is safe to play and it's very pretty. I bought it from Angkari to my daddy for gifting me this gift. Thank you. My name is Punyingat. My name is Kelvin Limauchong. Do you know what is my favorite toy? Do you know what is my favorite toy? Well, let me tell you about it. My favorite toy is Lego. My favorite toy is Hello Kitty. My favorite toy is Pokemon. I like it because I like Transformers. It is cute and pretty. It's beautiful and cute. My mother gave me these toys as my present. Thank you for having me. And I'm going to talk about online safety. To begin, let me ask the question. Do you know that internet is not safe for everyone?
There are millions of dangerous predators, identity thieves, and other online who may try to harm you.
Something $10 can become something that costs $50 online.
The first thing I'm going to say is how to keep your password safe. Never tell anyone your password. Sometimes people go online and pretend to be someone different so they can trick people.
It is important that a trusted adult knows you are doing when you are online.